Money. Problem solving, multiply or divide pence. Let's recap. Multiplying or dividing pence is the same as multiplying or dividing numbers, just don't forget the units. So 9 times 3 pence is the same as 9 times 3, which is 27, and don't forget the units, 27p. 60p divided by 10 is the same as 60 divided by 10, which equals 6. Don't forget the units, 6p. When solving problems using money, we need to understand what the question is asking us to do. A pen costs 15 pence and a ruler costs 20 pence. How much are 3 pens and 2 rulers? What's the question asking us to do? It's asking us to multiply 15 pence by 3, or pens by 3, and 20 pence by 2, or rulers by 2, and then add them both together. So 15 pence by 3 is the same as 15 times 3, which equals 45. Don't forget the units, 45p. 2 rulers is 20p times 2. 20 times 2 equals 40. Don't forget the units, 40p. Then we need to add together the cost of the pen and the ruler, 45p plus 40p. 40 plus 45 equals 85p. Don't forget the units. The total cost of the rulers and the pens is 85p. Erin bought 4 potatoes for 80p. What is the cost of 2 potatoes? What's the question asking us to do? Divide 80 pence by 4 to work out the cost of 1 potato, and then multiply it by 2 to work out the cost of 2 potatoes. 80 pence divided by 4 is the same as 80 divided by 4, which equals 20. Don't forget the units, 20p. So each potato costs 20p. Then we have 2 potatoes, so multiply that by 2. 20 times 2 equals 40. Don't forget the units, 40p. 2 potatoes cost 40p. You might realise that 2 potatoes is half of 4 potatoes, so you could simply divide the 80p by 2. 80 pence divided by 2 is the same as 80 divided by 2, which is 40. Don't forget the units, 40p. 96 people are asked to give a 5 pence donation to charity. 1/3 of them donate. How much is donated in total? What is the question asking us to do? Divide 96 by 3 to work out how many people donated. Just 1/3 of them donated. Then multiply that number of people by 5 pence. So 96 divided by 3 is 32. So 32 people donated. Then we need to multiply 32 by 5 pence. And 32 by 5 pence is the same as 32 by 5, which is 160, or 160 pence. Don't forget the units. The total donations are 160 pence. We can convert from pence to pounds by dividing by 100. To do this, we write the number, and then we add the decimal 2 digits from the right and the pound sign at the front. So £1.60 is the same as 160 pence. Remember, multiplying or dividing money is just the same as multiplying or dividing numbers. Just remember to add the units at the end. Read the question carefully to understand what you need to do. And to convert from pence to pounds, you divide by 100. We write the number, put the decimal 2 digits from the right and the pound sign at the front.